Hi guys, this is veggies kitchen and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button below and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to cook this very easy Chinese fried rice. So let's get started. So for the ingredients, you'll be needing vegetable oil, some chopped beef, 2 eggs, basmati rice, salt, garlic powder, corn flour, spring onions, green bell pepper, cabbage, onions, carrots. We'll be using some chili sauce for the meat. We'll also be using this sesame oil, and we're going to be using oyster sauce, and finally dark soy sauce. So these are the ingredients we're using. So we're going to start with our chopped beef. Adding your corn flour, stir to combine. This corn flour is optional, but I just like to use it because it makes my meat kind of crispy on the outside. Add in your hot chili sauce. If you don't have this, you can just add dry pepper. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Stir to combine. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. This sauce is already savory, so there's no need for stock cubes or salt. Add in your oil. Add your chopped meat. You can actually use any protein of your choice. So we're going to saute this for a few minutes. Now our beef is done. I'm going to take it out. Add a spoon of oil. Add in your eggs. I'm using 2 eggs for this recipe. And please add a pinch of salt to your eggs. So we're going to scramble this. Please don't forget to check the description box below to get the quantity of ingredients I use for this recipe. Ensure the egg is well scrambled. Now I'm going to take this out. Next, add in your oil. Add your onions. Leave it to fry for some minutes. Add in your garlic powder. It's preferable to use fresh garlic for this recipe. I didn't have any available, that's why I'm using garlic powder. Now add in your carrots. Stir. Add your cabbage. Then add in your green bell peppers. Stir to combine. Add some salt. Add your dry pepper. Stir properly. Now add in your chopped beef. Stir. Now this looks yummy. Now I'm going to add in my rice. Stir properly to combine. Add in your scrambled eggs. If you don't have basmati rice, you can use normal rice for this recipe, but it won't taste as good as basmati rice. Just ensure that you use a rice that is left overnight in the fridge. Now add in a spoon of sesame oil. This is optional. If you don't have it, you can just keep it. Now you can add in 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. You can use light soy sauce if you don't have dark soy sauce. Now add a tablespoon of oyster sauce. If you don't have this, you can also skip it as well and just use your soy sauce. Just ensure you add enough soy sauce, or rather add stock cubes. Now stir properly to combine. The reason why I said we should use leftover rice is to prevent the rice from being mushy, and it also tastes better. I don't know why, but it tastes better than using fresh rice. When parboiling your rice, it should be almost done, not fully done, but almost. But it shouldn't be as hard as when you're cooking your normal jollof rice. This is because we are simply stir frying the rice and we're not adding any water or meat stock to the rice. Now our rice is done. I'm going to add in our spring onions and leave it to simmer for a minute. And that's our Chinese fried rice. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.